went a book to get a great rental car deal. Guess we can stop scrolling for travel advice.
Who's at the door?
Yo, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Logan?
Yo, good morning.
Good.
What you got going there with the garage open?
It was a little bit cold in my garage this morning, so I opened it to warm it up a little bit. I walked in here, it was like an ice box, bro.
Wow.
Yeah, it was a little chilly, so I opened the garage door up a little. Leash. I was a little cold, chat.
Just that temp.
What's up, Paul? Margo, good morning. Chat, happy Monday. Listen, I gotta do something for a video today, chat. I gotta take one micro long or short at 8:29, so here in about 3 minutes, and manage it for 1 hour. So gotta do something for TRADEIFY today. Do a little video, so we're gonna do that live here on stream.
You gonna take short?
Yeah, I'm thinking so. I'm thinking so. So I will be taking a trade, just a paper account here. This is just for a video.
Chat, good morning. How is everyone?
Also, chat, sorry, my camera keeps fogging up. It's because I opened the garage door and it's
Yeah, I noticed you were getting some humidity build up there.
Yeah, it's cold garage plus heat equals moisture. So I have to clean it off a little bit here just to get until the camera temperature heats up a little bit. Johnny, it's good, bro.
Ooh, dipping.
Be dipping. All right, I have to take one micro short here in about 30 seconds.
What's the idea behind you having to do this?
There's 4 of us doing it. Johnny, I know. He's been mogging me freaking ever since he got back, bro, and it's kind of pissing me off. All right, chat, taking this short. We're in it. 1 micro. This is for a TRADEIFY video. We're gonna manage this trade for an hour, chat. 1 micro. We can add into it. We can manage however we want to manage it. Supposed to take 1 micro short or long. Here we are.
The DCA that'll happen on this for long or short will probably be quite entertaining. What up, Belongs? Go figure. Nasdaq is much farther below VWAP, while ES still above. And we're off.
We're open, chat. Good luck.
Ooh. Dave, good morning. Donnie's got a good question for you. Is there a limit on how many contracts you have during this 1 hour from the 1 micro start?
No.
No.
No. Scale in, scale out, manage it how I want.
Oh. Okay.
So we're just gonna manage this for 1 hour. See where we're at. Getting a little bit of seller salad open. My entry's at 604. Getting some nice sellers coming in. See if we can continue to hold this.
Logan, you picked the perfect time to end stream on Friday. I bounced over to TRADEIFY, and if one in an account right before Joey's segment ended.
All right, we're getting some sellers down coming. We are trading 562. Let's see if we can get this thing to push, baby. Push, baby, push. We want to see this thing go into absolute oblivion on this short because we're trying to get the biggest P&L chat out of this little competition.
Couldn't fully piece that together there, Johnny. Got a good push down here, 552. And sellers are looking nice and heavy here.
Go.
Headed
Come on down, baby.
Asia
Come
low.
on down.
Oh, man. They are screaming to the bottom.
Yeah, they are.
Keep it up. Keep it up.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, Johnny, nice. Congrats on that. What a way to end the Friday.
Holy moly. Maybe I should have took this on my live account.
Oh, should have coffee traded the paper.
Wowzers, chat. My goodness.
What was your entry?
604.
604? Oh, man. Yeah, I mean, hit 90 points already. About to be a hundo. Whew. Might be 200 before long.
We're up $214 on 1 micro.
Got a break below 500 to 486. I mean, this opening 5-minute candle has been quite something. Getting a nice break below VWAP on ES here, as well as below the 7,500 level. So if that can keep pushing, you are going to be looking quite well here. 5 minute left, a little bit of a wick there.
A little bit of a wick. What we're gonna do is add into that right there. Not let me add in. Why can't I add in?
Well, maybe it's a good thing at this point, given how much it pushed back up.
Wow, what a... We can't... Oh, wait. No, it did add me in. Okay. Here we go.
All the way back up to 613.
Yeah, what a buy up there. My goodness.
Yeah, that 5 minute wick and close was right at that overnight level from 825 last
All right,
night.
I'm shorting my live account, chat. 586 as well.
Ooh.
We'll see if we continue to get it. It's a light position in my live account. I'm not taking anything too aggressive, but so we can widen the stop pretty heavy on that. My position here is now in 3 micros.
I was wondering if it accidentally added you in twice since you were trying to do it and it wasn't showing you.
Yeah, it did. One of them was accidental, but I'm just gonna keep it.
Fair enough.
Sorry, chat. I'm gonna be managing some trades here. I'm not locked into chat right now, so give me a sec.
That's what I'm here for.
Just know that my live account's short 586, and then this competition account is short from 580.
G-Man, good morning. Need these sellers to step back in.
Yeah, I think we have a pretty large gap down there. I think we could go fill. I'd like to see it go fill.
I mean, I guess technically we did sweep Asia low too, though. It's a good turnaround right there.
There we go. There we go. Oh, sink this thing. Oh my goodness, chat.
Just keep on pushing. Need the ES to give it up too.
Dude, just absolutely sink this thing.
Close down there below that 525.
Let's just go run that low down there at 486. That's what we want. There you go. Go run that low down there.
Yes, trying to come back below its VWAP.
Okay, I'm out of that on my live account. I'm pretty happy with that, chat. I'm still holding this competition account. My live account's now out, and that put me up 1,500 on the day.
Very nice. Sean Lucchissimo, good morning.
All right, let's get this thing. Let's get this competition account. Continue to go here.
Do you get anything if you win?
I don't know. I don't think it's really that big. I think it's just for a video. And this is just for this is really just a video for TRADEIFY G, man. Like, it's between me and like 3 other hosts where we all take a trade. We take a trade at 8, like 1 minute before the opening bell, and we can manage it for an hour. So we're sitting in this thing. What's up, Chicago? Lucas, hello. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, chat. We are off to an absolute heater of a day already. Once I'm done with this account, chat, I'll show the trade on my live account, so you guys can see that I actually took it. I have to record this trade.
Break that low.
There it goes. Snapping on down, baby. I have a feeling though the other host probably added in heavy in their positions. I'm probably in a small position compared to them.
Maybe. Yeah. This thing is dropping. I mean, also, what if any of them decided to try a long?
Yeah, maybe.
This first 15-minute candle is actually crazy because it dropped 130 points and then rallied all the way back and then all the way back down here now.
We're right at the anchor VWAP from bull rally start on NQ. Man, this thing continuing to run the way it did makes my live account trade look small.
Mm-hmm. I was surprised you didn't try to extend it a little bit or just like trim it off to where you had a runner or something.
I did. I trimmed once and then took all of it off.
Oh.
I wasn't sure if we were gonna run low a day, and I was already up being up that amount. Like, it just made sense. Especially not even really. I never take trades that early, anyways.
Yeah. Well, paid this morning.
Let's see.
Yes, just needs to hold below this 7,500. Help keep everything going down.
We are halfway into the gap there. Lost Boy, hello. Yoda. Morning.
Morning, fellas.
I'm just gonna keep shorting pops here. We're gonna sell one more. It just doesn't. My market orders aren't getting in immediately, and it's starting to kind of annoy me. There we go. All right. Just gonna keep shorting the pops. See if we can go fill this gap here. Like to see this thing get down to like test 400. We can test 400. I'll actually take 3 of them off and just leave 1 on. So what I'll do is set a limit for 3 to buy. We can get down to 400 here. We're starting to catch a little bit of it. I might go ahead and just take 3 off now. I'm going to do that. So take 3 off and then just leave this 1 to run here. I want to make sure that I do in green on this. And with us filling this gap, I know that we could reverse at any moment. Unless we are going to just knife all day long, but I do want to protect what I have. So now we're back down to 1 contract. Where am I short from? Well, now my average entry is 555 on this. I'd have to look back to see where I started this short from. I think it was like in the 600s.
Yeah, it was 604.
Yeah. Yeah, so Dave, this is a paper trade. So I'll show my live account trade on after we're done with this. I have to trade this for an hour. This trade you're seeing on screen, I have to trade this for an hour. Once I'm done screen recording this trade, I'll jump over to my live account and show you the live trade that I took. This is this trade here is for a video that we're doing for TRADEIFY. Yeah, my live short, I took at 587, 15 micros, took 5 out at 548, took the rest out at 529. All right, getting a little bit of a bid here.
Yeah, I had a little double bottom there on the 5 minute.
I get a little short-term pop here.
Might get a good add-in area again.
Maybe. Johnny, yes, I have to stay in the short the whole time.
You had to pick a side and stick with it.
So I have about 40 more minutes in this trade. Try to reclaim 500 there.
Mm-hmm.
Chat, while we manage this trade, how was your guys' weekend? What'd you guys do? What was the vibes? We had a nice little night out. Logan and I and some friends. Wife came out as well. My wife was the main event. Holy. There we go. A little bit slower. Let's come back.
It's a wild statement.
Kind of true.
Yeah, I rejected the 500s twice there, actually. So, yes, rejected it 7,500 level as well.
Good morning, Joey. Changed my username so you can pronounce it now. I am Grace. Graced and favored. I am graced and favored. Okay. What's up, graced?
What was it before then?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, what was your name before?
Yeah. How are we supposed to know?
I don't know. Tell me. Now it's gonna drive me crazy.
Watched F1 and Hungarian Grand Prix with some folks. Sounds interesting.
Oh, okay. Gotcha, Grace. All right. Sounds good. Yeah, it's much better for pronunciation. All right. A little bit sellers there. Unable to get back into the 500s.
Oh, Johnny.
Bro, that's wild, Johnny. I would have. Everybody drinking margaritas. I'm drinking milk.
Hell no. All right. Yes and Naz both got a good turnaround here. Just need to see it flush. Come break this 418 level. There's a pivot point that previously held.
Oh shit, I forgot. I probably shouldn't be playing music in the background, chat. Hold on. I turn that off. This is for a video, so I'm gonna turn the music off.
There's 200 points off your original entry.
Oh yeah. Nice little 200 pointer. Looks like we might get this gap fill after all. Give us the gappy gap. Think Nasdaq can go higher after fill that gap? Maybe. It might reverse after filling it, yeah.
ES just broke its overnight low as well. Yeah, it's just ripping down below.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good here. Looking pretty good. Gap fill inbound. Trading 383. Maybe I get a 300 pointer on this trade, chat.
Mm,
That would definitely
that would
be.
be,
Well, actually, this is my PR trade.
I was gonna say that would be epic.
I'm already on a PR trade. Unfortunately, it's just a fake. It's a paper account, but we're here.
I mean, you're at 250 now, basically.
That gap fill is inbound, chat. We are about to fill that gap 100%.
Too bad you didn't add more off that 500 rejection.
We are. See, the gap fill would be 313. Finally joining his. Yeah, I've been on feel like everyone else's channel but my own. Kind of sad if you think about it. I'll be in multiple places today as well. All right, let's get that gap fill. ATR 52. Rob Sean, good morning. Hope you had a good weekend.
Man, ES really just melted. Oof. Five-minute candle that just closed on ES was massive looking. That was 20 points.
All right, didn't quite get down to fill that gap. We stopped at 326. About 13 points short of the entire gap fill.
Hmm. It's got a new hourly and 4-hour candle, so probably get a little pullback.
I might even add into a pullback here.
I mean, you got the space.
Oh, well now it just kept going. So much for adding in. Okay, here goes the gap fill, maybe. There it is. The gap is filled. I wish I could reverse my position because I would do it. See, we got down to 313. Fill that gap.
Yeah, this thing running away.
Yeah, it's getting melted. You know what's crazy though is the Nasdaq is still green on the day.
Damn. I did not realize that.
Just goes to
That's
show that we have a lot of room that we could run down.
that's that's crazy. Wow.
Well, we did get a 300 point move.
Yep. And
I have to stay
still
in it
have
though, chat.
27 minutes.
I know I have to stay in this trade. I can't get out of it. I'm trying to figure out if I can actually reverse my position. Because if I can reverse my position, I might take longs after filling this gap. But I don't know. They haven't got back to me yet, so I don't know if I can.
Appreciate that, Johnny. She wants some more.
Oh, she wants a lot more. Oh wait, I can TP before the hour is up, chat, if I want. So with that being said, let's set a limit order for 1 to buy. So we'll just trail this. Oh, never mind. We just got out of it. Okay, well, we're out. Trading views just lagging. All right, we're out of the trade, chat.
What happened?
Dude, it just, I don't know. Stuff, but we're out.
Ah,
That's okay. We get TP on that. We caught over a 300 point move, and I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing reverse anyways. I was going to trail tightly. Honestly, I might take a long in my live account.
where did
Weird.
it take you out at?
Hang on. I might take a long here on my live. Let's see here. All right, chat. I'm in a long on my live account now. We filled that gap. We're getting a wick out now. We're starting to find a little bit of a bid. So let's see if we can push this thing back up here. I'm getting more sellers here. Don't like that. We are starting to close that wick out that we just had for the reason why I took the long as well. So I might have to get out of this. The buyers can catch this bid.
Need to hold on to that 300.
Tried to hold that bid, but they are struggling here. Just need to get a little bit of a pop, get above these 20s, hold above 20s. That'd be good. Come on, buyers. Stay up for me. Stay up. Give me a little push into the 60s. We'll take 5 off right there. I'm gonna got final 5 at break even. I'm not gonna risk really this thing going red because we are very, very counter trend.
Yes, you are.
But so far we're looking okay. We took profit on 5 contracts. I'm pretty happy. Final 5 gets stopped out break even. That's fine. All right, final 5 stopped out break even. So got a little bit of a scalp out of that. Wanted a little more, but we'll take it.
Yeah, the shorts just keep shorting.
That put me up 1,779 in my live account. Here was a short from earlier, chat, that I said I'd show you. 15 cons from 587, took out 5 there at 546, and then final TP there at 528. Took a long here, and then for 10. I don't know why it shows 2. I don't get that. Like here
TRADEIFY does that.
shows
It
I
never
entered
shows
2, and then I exited 5. Like I don't know. The contracts are all. But anyways, I took 10 micros here, took 5 out here, and then break even on the final.
Dude, it's something with TRADEIFY because it does that to me all the time. It doesn't
Actually,
show
you know what?
I
I think
actually got in for.
I think I know what it. Let me just zoom way in. That's why. That's why. Okay. It's because it's not all filled. They weren't filling all the cons at the exact price, which is typical for entering multiple cons. So when you hover over it, you're really hovering one of these. But here it shows that all the cons there. That's why. Okay. That makes sense.
Well, if you wanted the bigger move, I guess going with the trend pays too, because 230.
Oh. Okay. Chat. Dude, we just sliced the market up this morning. I mean, sliced it up. Holy. We're up 1,700 in the live account. Man. What do I see on my this paper account for today? Orders. History. Pedro. Okay, here we go. So we ended up, looks like over 1,000. So 1,162 on that paper trade that we took. $1,162 on that account, and then my live account here 1,700. So chat, we vibing, bro. We are absolutely vibing.
Did you get 200 points on the one portion of that?
On what? The paper trade?
Mm-hmm.
I think so. I have to see.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I couldn't remember with where you were adding and scaling out and all. So
All right, chat. I will be right back.
thing is rolling. Chat, we got 34 people in here and 17 likes. We need to up those likes. Just had some solid little trades here. Shorts are paying this morning. They just keep rolling down the hill. I did have someone point out to me also on if any of you are watching off of your cell that well, maybe it's not that simple or that difficult. Someone was trying to tell me it was harder to find the like button on cell phone, but if you just close out the chat, it's pretty much right there. So I don't think there's anything difficult about it, but let's just smash that like button. Make sure it's highlighted and colored in, filled in. Might go all the way to 148 before the jump stops. That's a big 4-hour level. Let's take a look at that 4-hour. That's 148. Yeah, like a bunch of the tops of the wicks. I can see what you're talking about, it looks like. So, yeah, that's possible. I definitely think we could continue just pushing regardless. I mean, we're just now break even on the day for the NAS itself. Like we're teetering between break even and red right now, which is crazy given we have sold off almost 400 points, literally 387 points. IB is currently 387 points, and we got 13 minutes till it closes, and we still have a good chance of extending that range and running lower, as we are looking to do right now, actually. So, yeah, that's wild. This is a day when there's trend days like this where I look at the EMAs just as a reference to show like how much we're moving as far as pullbacks, because even all the way down to the 1 minute time frame, which is the most volatile, we have not had any closes above them. We've just continuously rejected the lines each time for the pullbacks, and boom, continued shorter.
All right, we back. Can you guys hear that lawnmower on the stream?
I can't hear it. I don't know if I count.
Okay, great. If you can't hear it, then they definitely can't.
Okay. And there's a new low.
Ian, good morning. All right, chat, I feel like I can relax now a little bit.
Just vibe out.
I feel like I can just chill and vibe with you guys now. We've taken some we've just sliced the market up this whole morning already. Oh, IB isn't even set yet.
Yeah, I was just talking about that as you got up, how Nasdaq was just teetering on being break even or red, which now we're finally red, but we've got a what is it now? 393 point IB range, and still have a chance to keep extending that before IB is set. Morning to you as well, Ian.
Can't hear it, but you're old. Sean Chicago King, you're not old, bro. Not old. Nasdaq getting absolutely smoked.
Love to see it. Coming near Friday's low, actually, 212.5.
About to run this low down here at 214, 212 actually. I mean, just keep on cooking, Nazi Poo. Keep on cooking. While Nasdaq's getting smoked, chat, let me look at a couple other things here. SpaceX is probably getting smoked right now as well. Let's see. Oh wait, no, wait, that's not. Wow, Tesla's getting smoked. Jesus Christ, they're almost back in the 200s. SpaceX. Yeah, SpaceX down to 110. I have another add-in spot at 95 for a long-term position on SpaceX. So if we get down to 95, I will add in. Actually, honestly, I might even do it at 100. If we get to 100, I'll probably add in more on SpaceX. Pretty crazy though.
Nas just broke Friday's low by 1.5 points. See what it does.
Sweep the low, then go up. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. You're talking sweet things to me right now. Redneck, what's up? Caught first, moved down. Runners got stopped out just before open, then watch it drop. Oh, well, profit is profit. Profit is absolutely profit.
At least you were with the move.
Holy moly.
Can't stop, won't stop.
Nasdaq is sinking into absolute oblivion. We are down 0.17 on the day on Nasdaq so far. We did sweep that low. If we wick out of it, chat, I might attend longs one more time. I'm not gonna lie to you, bruh. I ain't gonna lie to you, bruh. I might even do it. This week is actually a pretty heavy news week, chat. I know we haven't really talked about that yet, but this is a pretty decent news week. Nothing really today. We did have durable goods earlier, but we do have consumer confidence tomorrow, and then the interest rate decision is on Wednesday. So FOMC on Wednesday. Then we have more PCE and consumer spending, GDP, PCE all on Thursday, as well as Apple earnings that day as well after the bell. And then Friday, we have Amazon earnings after the bell. So we have a lot happening, chat. My goodness, a lot happening. This is going to be a very volatile week. Between FOMC, GDP, some PCE, and then earnings. Yeah, it's gonna be a crazy week.
Well, it's a good thing we're selling off today and have gotten out of that range that we were stuck in, so gives some room to play. Nazi continuing lower.
Yeah, put the market on a discount. Let me buy.
Here they come, Dave. Here they come.
And this thing just keeps on smoking, Chad. Holy moly. Looking at the-
Realistically, ES had more room to fill its gap too, so maybe that's what part of this is.
I mean, we gonna go into the 27s this week. Ellen like this. We can go into 27s today. Jeez. Sheesh. Nasdaq down 0.5% on the day. We have sold off from the high of day, which was 617, down to 141. Trying to push down to a 500-point sell-off from the high. Oil's down 6%. Is oil getting cooked?
Yeah, it's at $83. Yep. Had quite a dip.
Oh my goodness, oil getting smoked. NQ is physically and mentally not ready for longs, apparently.
Mm-hmm.
That is, yeah, that's true. It is not. No.
How about a 500+ point IB?
Yeah, that's crazy work. That's crazy work.
Joey, you should have had a 500-point trade.
Lord. 62.5 point ATR, yeah. What's up, Ismail? Mega Dump Monday? Absolutely. Already preparing for what all is to come this week. Freaking FOMC. Big earnings from Amazon and Apple. GDP, PCE. All the E's.
Yes, it belongs.
I don't think anybody wants to be in the market for this week. Especially if earnings come in bad. Dude, if earnings come in bad for Apple and Amazon, which I don't really see happening, by the way, but if it does, I mean, that would flip this entire market on its head.
542 point IB.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah, that's quite large.
Quite large. That's freaking massive. Are you kidding me? That is, dude.
That is.
I think since we've been on here, like since I've came on, that's the biggest IB range we've had.
That is quite a big IB, yeah. Which means that We will probably consolidate one end of the range of it, which means that PA this afternoon is probably going to be dog shit, chat.
$51.5 points away from the 27s.
We cooked today, I guess. Yeah, it's the market's absolutely cooked. But what's gonna piss me off now is that we actually moved below IB and wick out of it and want to go long, want longs after this massive mega sell-off, and I don't know that I want to take it. I mean, know.
You took that other long up in the 300s. So
yeah, glad I got out of that.
Oh, well, yeah.
The old me would have been DCA, 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 DCA.
I was a bit surprised when you took it, and then luckily it pushed up and got in profit for you.
I wasn't really expecting a home run trade out of it. I was hoping for maybe like 50 points.
Yeah. This could be a...
No, it's not. Shut up.
You don't want to hear it. You don't want to have to take it.
What's up, Mario?
Mario.
Nice Bloody Monday.
Bloody
yeah,
Monday.
It is. Yeah, it is. Oh my God, this mower.
You're the only one that can hear it.
It's so loud out on my outside.
Surprised you haven't closed your garage yet.
Those are nice. Oh. Supposed to be hot today, though.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, chat, the high here today is going to be 98 degrees. It's, yeah. We've been in an extreme heat warning since this weekend.
I might actually go ahead and close it. Good. I imagine it's gonna be heating up pretty fast here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Close my garage. Which means I gotta change my camera settings, chat. Hang on.
$27,000's inbound. Oof. Gonna have to work outside, not looking forward to it. Yeah. Stay hydrated. Electrolytes. Don't drink cold water either. Last we were here was in May while going up. How about it? Yeah, it really sets us up for interesting play given everything Joey just talked about with the news for the week and already having sold off this much. And like I had said from last week, with us breaking out of that range that we'd been in, makes for a lot of room to play.
Yeah. Yeah. Chat, we have taken some absolute banger trades today. So far, nothing as yet. Again, as we've just been belting to the downside here, I've not really had anything to take outside of what I took earlier. We'll see if we get an opportunity, but if y'all could do me a favor for the trades that we did take this morning, you can always go back and watch them. Hit that like button with some Theories Authority, a little thumbs up button. They're challenging you to a thumb war. Make sure you win that. And then again, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, we are live every single day right here at the New York Open. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and catch the daily live streams. We just be chopping up the market, chat. Let me pull over the live account stats for you real quick, chat. Let me pull it over for you. We have 1.7 on the day in the personal. We have 16,100 on the month. Okay. We got the market by the neck. All right.
Last week to make the push.
We got the market by the neck. Do we get back-to-back 20K months, chat? We need 3,900 more. Can we get back-to-back $20,000 months to have made $40,000 in our live account?
You could have today. You already hit it.
I honestly, yeah, I could
have had a 600 point short. Speaking of, we have officially broken back into the 27,000s.
That's absolutely insane, bro.
There is no floor in sight.
Except for when we break it back below I below. Then it's a floor, right?
You could say that, yeah. Mm-hmm. Sure thing.
Holy. Oh, the market is cooked, chat. Holy moly.
Johnny, don't come in here comparing your desert heat. We know it's hot out there. Sean King said it. 20 people are watching without hitting the like button. It costs $0 and cents to click that button. Support the stream. I agree, and I echo that sentiment. 46 people up in here. Appreciate y'all hanging out. Just click a little button.
Just a little click.
Maybe breaking those 28,000s will be the area. It's like, all right, we'll take a pause off of that.
Redneck, I just saw your comment. Yeah, I have fake plants behind me. Like the setup, thank you.
ES made a new low as well.
All right, can we break back above IB low, or are we just going to keep on going? Trump says we going to 20K. Imagine. Imagine if he said that. If he said that, we would go to 20K today. It's like
everybody gets short.
Yeah. The market would hit circuit breakers like 10 times a day.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Put everything into the shorts.
Yo, I saw the single stock futures are yeah, it's today, right? Yeah, they have officially settled single stock futures. Let's go, dude. I am extremely excited over this. Because then we can start trading some Tesla, Nvidia. I need to get the list. There's 55 larger size contracts, 22 micro size. So I need to see. Some of them look like they've already been trading. I want to see. Why isn't hold on? Where's the full list of them? I see some of them, but I can't. I'm on the CME site, but I can't see the full list. Let's see.
Now I have a mower outside. Can you hear it?
No.
I didn't think so, but figured I'd ask.
So far today, Asia 2,950 on personal. Let's go, Mario. 500 on one, 290 on another, 600 for Asia on another account. Let's go. Mario absolutely just slicing and dicing, baby. You love to see it. Mario, I'm in the
Mario
same.
took advantage of that Bloody Monday.
In the same boat as you, bro.
Yeah, the 4-hour candle that's only been open for 44 minutes is crazy, Johnny.
Okay, I have the full lineup here. Finally. For single stock futures. There's a lot.
Yeah, it looks like I Am Grace is putting it all in the chat here.
Yeah. There is a lot.
Nice job, Sean. Solid work.
So there's 55, right? 55 companies for standard contracts and then 22 for micros. Am I right on that, chat? So wait, if we go to Tesla futures, is this it? Doesn't seem right. I don't know. I'm gonna do some research.
Do some research.
Yeah, single stock feeders is gonna be legit. I'm happy. I'm excited for this. Very excited. Really widens the net, chat, on what we can trade and be able to get more opportunity. Honestly, chat, it provides a ton of opportunity. When you have markets not moving, right? Especially the index, like you have Nasdaq, S&P, when they're not moving, you have other companies that have other things affecting them during the day, right? That are causing them to move. You can just switch over and find opportunity elsewhere. Like, it just provides a wider net to find opportunity. So very exciting times. I'm very excited for this. It's gonna be a good one. Now watch gold and take a buy at 470 or 4070 and put TP on IBI. What do you mean? You want me to take a trade on gold? All right, see if we can get up to IB low here. I mean, I don't know, chat. Are we gonna get any sort of recovery bounce? Any sort of recovery bounce? What's oil doing? Oil was getting smoked today. It's still getting smoked. Just watch. Is the trade good? Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh, yeah, it looks decent, actually. I mean, it looks good for a run up, at least back to the IB mid on gold. But it looks decent, yeah. Did I miss anything we work on? Yes, you missed a lot. You missed a ton. We took some incredible trades this morning earlier. We're up 1,700 in the personal account today.
Joey, I would keep an eye out for potential longs.
I'm going to. Watching it. All right, we are breaking above IB low here. Good strong push above IB low. Do we V bottom, chat? That would be insane, wouldn't it? V bottom this thing all the way back up. Imagine. That would be crazy work, dude. Holy moly. You need me to get you on? I don't know, bro. Maybe. Maybe. How crazy the market has been, it wouldn't be surprised. Yeah. Possible. Wouldn't hold it against it.
44 people watching, 32 likes. Let's make a strong push here at the end, chat. Get those numbers even.
Got to be somewhat careful today. It is. We do have a 70-point ATR right now, so definitely got to be careful.
Just a little random side note, but when it's hot weather like this and what we're having, I like something cool to eat, you know, like a nice little sandwich and whatnot. And last night I made myself some chicken salad to have for this week for lunch, and I am very excited to have a sandwich today of that. Looking forward to it.
Chicken salad. What makes a chicken salad?
Chicken salad, it's I use chicken thighs, and then there's celery and onion. A lot of people get extra. They put raisins, gross, chopped nuts, different things, green onions even, whatever. But I keep mine more on the simple side, and then you take mayonnaise, and that's what pulls it all together and binds it, and then you make a sandwich out of it. Hell no, I was not going to say that, G-Man.
Yeah, that ain't for me.
It ain't for you. How do you know?
Sounds gross.
You've never had chicken salad sandwich?
No, I have not.
Which part sounds gross?
Cold chicken.
Yeah, I mean, I could see that. I give you that, but it's different because like the thighs, like I cleaned them, seasoned them, baked them, let them cool, then shredded it all up, and then mix everything together. Then add the mayonnaise, mix that, put it in the fridge, and then you just take it and scoop it and put it on. I mean, it would be like having it's not exactly the same, but it'd be like having like a roast beef sandwich. Those are cold typically, or just any type of sub.
Huh.
You need to try a good chicken salad for sure. You definitely, you've never had it, which is crazy. So you definitely need to give it a try. You might, Sean King says you might be white if you put raisins in anything that ends in salad. Disclaimer, I hate raisins. I've never tried them as an adult, but I remember when I was younger, oh man, did I despise those things. And nope, I don't mess with them. I have to be on Logan's team here. Chicken salad Sammys are yum. Yes, sir. It's just, yeah, that coldness, especially when it's hot out like this, it's so refreshing. It's very nice. And G-Man says, it's actually good, Joey. Hey, we trying to put you on here.
Okay. Tell you what, if he chugs the whole glass of milk, I'll do it. I'll try it.
What are you equating me chugging a glass of milk to you having to try chicken salad like it's some
it's just
terrible thing?
We both do something new here.
This is not the same thing. No, that's not even close to similar. I don't like that. By the way, you should have got long on this new 5-minute candle.
I was distracted by talking about sandwiches.
Oh, well. Was it that, or was it whatever that toast is you keep putting in your mouth.
Yeah, it's a little bit of both. Wife brought me some breakfast, you know.
Yeah, I saw the coffee too.
Mm-hmm. A little bit of espresso, you know. Espresso action.
A little bit of espresso or some milk.
Oh, it's a latte, no doubt. Yeah, it's got some milk in it. Milk and espresso.
Well, here we are. Buying up.
Yeah, this thing look like
Up.
this thing look like it gonna rippity doo dah right back up.
Did get some legs under it.
Looking pretty good for buy up. I want to see. I didn't want to take it immediately just because this is not an A+ setup for me on IB low. What would make me feel a little bit better about this is if we don't just rip straight up, but come back down and maybe get a little retest here. Just kind of show that we want to hold IB low. Give me a little bit of, you know, confluence here that we want to hold this. Ripping all the way back up, like I'm fine missing it. Like there's no entry criteria for me on this right now. But if we do come back down and retest and show we want to hold, then I'll take it. And as weak as we've been today, it wouldn't surprise me if we come down and retest it. Gotta be a little patient, chat. It's like fishing. If you try to yank the pole on the first bite and set the hook, sometimes you miss it. Need a little patience. You gotta let the fish really take the bait. You know what I mean? Compared to that train, if you take the position just on the first sign of doing it, you know, it might pull back and retest on you. You might miss the perfect entry. Just like if you try to set the hook on the first bite, you might miss the perfect hook set. Gotta be a little patient, you know? Legend has it, I'm still on the lake being patient.
Thank God you followed up and ended with that, because I was about to ask chat if anybody else sees the irony in this entire explanation. Because there's a lot. So thank you for that.
That being said, I took the long says Mario.
Well done, Mario. Well done.
Holy shit, chat, I gotta go. Chat, I gotta hop on TRADEIFY. We took some banger trades today. Absolute heaters. We're up 1,700 in the personal account. Took a nice trade in the little video for TRADEIFY that we did this morning. Listen, we're up big today, chat. We're gonna be looking to capitalize, look for more opportunity. We get a pullback to IB low and find some strength there. I might be taking the longs there as well. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Tune in to the live streams. We're live every day right here at the New York Open. Oh, you want to leave anything?
Appreciate you guys. Redneck, amen to what you said there at the end. And I'm going to enjoy my chicken salad sandwich this afternoon.
All right, chat. Love you. Bye.